In the back end, the database, this will be saved something like this in a similar way to whatever we had seen just before. This is the student ID, this is the name, this is the email ID, this is the active, this is the created when it is updated. But limited fields, it is there. You can see all the fields which are required. User is one of the table. It can be consisting the users. And in similar way, you see, okay, it's my college. It's my user table and it is the data. Okay, if I open one of the data, you can see it. Okay, I am opening one of the data. You observe it. This is my college. This is one of the table. What is the table? sys_user. Okay, and then I am opening one of the record, but record is attached with what in the backend? Sys ID. It is kind of you're opening something in the folder. Okay, you just see here. Go to instance. Next, go to users. Next, open this record. What record? This one. Akip. But in the backend, you observe what it is opening. What is user table? Where the user's information will be stored, on which table it is storing? Tell me. On which table the user information is storing?
sys_user.
Right? But in the front end, you don't see that much. In the front end, you will be seeing only users. But in the back end, the name of the user's database is this. Fine. So if I open one of the ID, this time I will be opening Abel Tutor. Okay. In the front end, Abel Tutor is the name. Users is the table name. But in the back end, this is the instance name. Okay. This is the table from where you are fetching out. And this is the backend ID. Fine. Okay. Next, I will go to the groups. Now you tell me what is the college. This is the college. Next, this is the department, for example. In our example, what is group table? What is a group table?
Department.
What is a group table? sys_user_group, where the group related information stores on which table it stores. On which table it stores? sys_user_group. Okay, now I will go to the roles. Now you tell me, this is the list of roles where front end name is roles, but in the back end where the roles information stores in our ServiceNow.
sys_user_roles.
Sys_user_role. Okay, every time you remember, whenever you see this underscore list, it will be opening in this form, in this way, in this structure. Wherever you see this, it will be consisting the list view. You will be calling this entire thing called list view. The back end, it is kind of underscore list. Okay. Now you get understand. So now you tell me where the user's information stores in our ServiceNow.
Underscore user.
User information will be stored. Tell me.
Sys_user.
sys_user.
Sys_user. Next. Where the group information will be stored.
sys_user_group.
Sys_user_group.
User_group.
information. This underscore
User underscore group.
this part. Now, next, where the roles information will be stored. Roles.
Underscore user underscore role.
Where the roles information will be stored. There are how many roles, ma? 546. Where 546? Data will be stored. Roles related data. It will be stored in sys underscore user underscore role. Right? Next. Let's go here. Okay, I will go to, okay, let me keep it in this way. So here we are groups. Okay. Okay, I am opening one of the group. Okay. Your favorite one, software. Okay, I will open it. Fine. So here I am adding the users to the group directly. From where I can be able to add directly to the group? From where?
New edit.
Okay, edit. Correct? Edit. Then add it. Then add it. Okay. Then save it. Now, how many people are there? There are 7 people. Where these 7 people information will be stored related to groups. Where group member will be stored.
Sys underscore user underscore group.
Let's open it.
The database.
Okay, open in new window. Okay, I'm not doing anything. I will just right click on and open new window. Then this will be open. Now you tell me where these people will be stored related to the group software. Sys underscore user underscore gr member. Correct? So this statement is correct. Users to the group. Then where it will be stored? Users to the group. Whenever you are adding users to the group, this information in which table it stores? It stores here. Sys underscore user underscore gr member. Fine. Any questions till now? Anyone? Are you able to follow? If any questions, feel free to ask. Why this topic has came into the picture, you will get understand. Next 2 to 3 sessions or session. But you are the responsible person. Make sure you are remembering this. Everything. You are becoming the developer. You are becoming the developer. Always developer focus on not front end. Always developer focus on the back end. That's why I'm trying to be cover this much. Tell me now.
Bro, you can use root as a shortcut of GR.
That part is coming. Next few minutes, don't worry. Okay? Are you able to understand it? There are many tables. How many tables I tell you? Okay? How many tables I will tell you. Next, one table. Okay? Now, I will go to, okay, I'm closing this. Okay. Now I will go to user administration. Then I am opening the users. Okay. I will open one of the user. Fine. Now, I will go to users. Sorry, I will go to users and I am going to the roles. Okay, fine. Next, I'm opening the new window under roles. Where, okay, whenever you are adding, okay, user, role to the user, I would say, role to the user. Then where this information stores? Whenever you are adding role to the user.
Sys underscore user underscore role.
Sys underscore user underscore has role. This information will be stored here. Whenever you are adding role to the user, that information will be stored here. Sys underscore user underscore has underscore role. Fine. See how many are there, ma? Okay. This is the user, this is the role, and this is the state. User, we are adding user to the role. We are adding, he is the guy. Andrew Jackson is the user. We are adding catalog lookup admin role. Then it is storing in this table, this information, entire information. Sys underscore user underscore has role. So how many people are having the roles, different kind of roles? These many. 3000 plus roles are assigned to different users. Fine. Now, next important thing. Okay. Groups. Okay. If you added user role to the user, it stores here. But what if I add role to the group? What is the best practice, ma? What is the best practice of adding the role to the user? Directly we'll add role to the user, or we'll be adding role to the group. What is the best practice?
Role to
To the group.
Role to the group. So next, I will go to the groups. This is my group. Okay, I will open one of the group. App engine admins is one of the group. Okay, I will go to the roles. Then I will say no open window. Now, where the information will be stored related to this. Whenever you are adding role to the group directly, then where it will be stored. Sys underscore group underscore has underscore role. Here it will be stored. The information, you just focus on the information. Whenever you are adding something, then where it stores. That's it. System. Are you able to follow? So in this way, there are almost these many tables. Okay, under system definition tables. How many tables are there? These many tables are there. Fine. Fine. See, I will go to database. Okay, this is our instance. Okay, then I will go to students. Okay, and students will be having the unique ID. With the help of the unique ID, it will open. That's it. So in our example, instance Next, users will be having unique ID attached in the backend. With help of that unique ID, we'll be opening it. That's it. Now you are the developers. Okay. When someone asks you, okay, you focus on just 10 minutes. When someone asks you, go to the users, you don't go to admin, okay, or administration or user administration. Then you will come here and click it. Okay. You are the developer. How do you open it? You should not come here. You are the pro because you know or you play with this in the future. I wanted to be open user information table. Then how can I open it? Simply copy it. Okay. Come here, paste it. You need list, correct? List, type list. Then say enter. Then what is happening?
Displaying all the users.
So now this way you will be opening it. Other way, you can search it. User administration, then go to the groups and open it. Both will be open same. This is also open same. But as a developer, you need to understand more in the backend. You need to play with the backend. Okay. How can I open the users? Now I am here. Okay. I will go to home. What? Okay. Now how can I open the groups? How can I open the groups? Tell me. How can I open the group information? Copy this. Go to filter navigation. Then dot. This time you observe it. This time I am writing list in a capital. Then enter. What is happening?
New screen.
New tab it opens. New tab it opens. Whenever you are writing some table, then you are writing something in capital, then it opens new window. If you are writing it in small letters, then it will be opening a same window. This also same. This also same. See, but it is opening in the new. Okay, now where I can open roles information. Dot list. Dot list. Okay. So the view, whatever you are seeing here, this is called list view. This is called list. List means you will be seeing all the information, most of the information. 546 related information you will be seeing here. This is list view. List means list of role records. List of roles record or list of roles information. Here, list of group information. This view is called the list view. This view. Fine. Now, I wanted to be see users to the group information. How can I open it? Sys underscore user underscore gr member. Gr member dot list. Let's see if it is open. See. This is group. This is the role. Sorry, this is the user. Okay. Now, if you wanted to be get to know, okay, how many users are having for this particular group. For example, software group, how many people are there? Then just to come here, right click on the group, then group by group. Okay. See, now you are seeing something clumsy. Okay. But you should get know this particular group having how many people. Then how do you do it? You will click on this group, then right click, then group by group. Easily you can identify. These are all the groups. And if you expand it, it will be holding number of people. For example, software. Where is the software? See, how many people are there for software? This way. Fine. Till now, any questions? Now, I will tell you something. If you wanted to be create the users, how do you create the users now? How do you create the users? Usually, whenever you are new, you are going to user administration. Under user administration, you are clicking on users, correct? Then say new, correct? Huh? Whenever someone asks you to create the new user, this was the flow that you are following and create it here, correct? Now you are the developer, you should not do it. Now you are the developer, you should not do it. You will do it in this way. I will go to table. Okay. I will go to table, then I will get the form. F-O-R. Then automatically the form comes. Now I wanted to be open it in the new window. Then how can I write? Go on the mute. F-O-R-F. These are all the shortcuts. It opens in the new window. Was okay. This is the new window. So what did you understand today? What is the session that you are understanding or did understand today? See, everything comes from the table. Everything comes from the table. Okay. If I open, you see it. Okay. I will go to tables. Okay. I will go to the tables under which system definition tables. Okay. What is our one of the table? What is our one of the table? Sys underscore user. Okay. Then I will search for sys underscore user. So this one. Right? See, number of tables 512. All the tables information on which table it stores. Look at the URL. Sys underscore db underscore object is one of the table. Okay. Is one of the table. It stores the information of the table, any table. Sys underscore db underscore object. This is also interview question. When someone asks you where all the table information stores. See, this is all table information. No? When I say tables, these are all the tables. No? Even I will tell you, see, I will search with sys underscore user. Okay. Now you see in the front end, what you were seeing when you are opening the users in the front end, what you were seeing in the front end. So I will go to this way. I'll go to users. users. The front end, what is the table name you are seeing?
Users.
Users. In the back end,
Sys user list.
you come here and see where it is. See. What is the label name in the front end that you are seeing? This. In the back end, what is the name? This. If I open this, let's open it. Let's open it from here. But I will cover tomorrow also this topic. This is also important.